I have previously shared some aquatic plants like asola, water lily, pennywort, etc. from our garden. In today's video, we'll discuss about how these plants and fish are beneficial for our garden. Hi and welcome to Fresh from My Garden. Now what you're seeing here is a fish tub. We have a few fish tubs in our garden in which we have some guppy fish and some water plants. In an earlier video I had shared on how to maintain and clean these tubs from time to time, at least once in 2 or 3 weeks, so that the fish and the plants in the tub are healthy. Other than the cleaning that is required to be done once in 2 or 3 weeks, these plants are really low in maintenance since we don't need to water them regularly or take much care. Most of these aquatic plants are very easy to grow and many of them are quite invasive. But in case of these invasive plants, they are rich in nitrogen and potassium and several other microorganisms that are beneficial for the other plants in your garden. The reason for adding little tiny guppy fish or other fish to your small ponds or aquatic plants is to prevent the breeding of mosquitoes in this stagnant water. So, as I had mentioned earlier, the pond or the water tub needs to be cleaned so that the fish remain healthy and the ammonia and the fish waste and decaying leaves do not harm the plants or the fish living in it. So, today we are going to clean out the water from this fish tub. You can see how greenish the water is. The water turns green when there is slight algae formation and the surface of the water is not completely covered with the water plants. Exposure to sunlight causes this algae formation in water, but this water is really beneficial for other plants in your garden, especially the flowering and vegetable plants. They are rich in a lot of nutrients and microorganisms that can really be beneficial and help your plants grow well. You can also see some asola plants that are starting to turn brown. So while we are cleaning out this water, we will be removing some of that also, along with few other aquatic plants that have been growing in abundance or getting invasive. So every time we clean out the fish pond or the fish tub, we make sure that this water doesn't go waste and we take it and add it to all the plants in our garden. Algae is a living organism and it breaks down once it is added to your plants to produce an abundance of nitrogen, which is really beneficial for many plants. So, if you are growing any aquatic plants in your garden, you can use that as a biofertilizer for the other vegetable and flowering plants in your garden. Adding fish is definitely necessary to prevent the breeding of mosquitoes, and at the same time, the water from this fish waste is also very rich in a lot of nutrients that are beneficial for the plants in your garden. So, I hope you found this video useful. See you in another video. Thanks for watching Fresh from My Garden.